guys, welcome to Miss Boke's YouTube channel. Thank you for clicking this video. Be sure Hi guys, thank you for choosing Miss Boke YouTube channel. Let's
do me a favor, please. Get out of here. Get out of here, man. Shit, I'm saying.
Do a little dance. So thank you guys for choosing this YouTube channel. Thank you for clicking on this video so you can watch. Thank you for choosing to keep it here. Thank you for subscribing. For those who have subscribed and those who haven't subscribed yet, please click that subscription button and be sure to like it here, trust me. So as you can see, I don't want to waste your time. I'm standing next to my fridge and the plan is to do a fridge restock. So I have been seeing these videos on YouTube of your favorite YouTubers in Kenya, you know, all over the world, doing a fridge restock. So I was like, why not do it today? So I just came in from work and, you know, I thought, instead of just being idle, let me do something with my life. So I decided to entertain you guys with this video. Yeah, so sitaki kuwadanganya sana. My plan is to go to one of the cheapest stores. Inaitwa Aldi. Aldi is one of the cheapest stores na iko like 2 minutes away from me. That's like the nearest store that I can go to. And because inje kuni baridi, but again, that's one of the stores that I like shopping at because it's cheap, you know, to buy foodstuffs specifically. So nataka niende Aldi, do some shopping, just a few things. I'll bring you guys along with me. Tufanye shopping, then I'll come and show you. No, before we even go, I'll show you the before and after the restock. So nitakuja, then we'll restock together. Musifikirie nita buy a lot of stuff. Honestly, we don't spend much time at home. We are always at work. So shopping haitakuwa mingi sana because hatunanga time ya kukula. We don't even have time to eat. Honestly, we never have enough time to eat. Most of the time napata tuna kula chakula nje ama tukipika hapa we just eat tunamaliza. So huwezi buy chakula mingi because at the end of the day inaweza haribika. So that would be wasting money and food. So come with me to compare the restock ya one of your favorite YouTubers when you may watch. Alafu na restock ya Miss Boke YouTube channel. So let me show the before. Let me show you the before. Hey, your fridge. Iko na a lot of stuff. Not a lot of stuff, but kuna vitu mingi zenye nafaa kutupa. I mean, let me show you. These are some of the things zenye ziko kwa fridge sahi. So plan ni kuiosha, clean, do some cleaning, then you know, do some cleaning, then restock some of the things kama hizi ma croissants. This is a funny too. Mayai, I need to restock the mayai. Although I don't eat mayai, just my mpond and mayai. Nyanya, we have enough. We have a lot of, you know, nyanya. So I don't need much nyanya. Vitu zingine kama hizi ma sauces tunatumia kukula burger when I make some burger. Yeah, so tuko na ma sauce. So I'll just be buying a few things. I think nitatumia leo kupika. I don't even know what I'm planning to cook, but I know I'll be cooking something. Na tuko na pineapple yenye I'll blend and make some juice tonight. Today, yeah, I'll be blending this to make juice. Yeah. So tutaenda store na nyinyi, do some shopping, really to restock. Honestly, itakuwa too almost empty like it is after even after the. So guys, as I said, kindly, I'm new into this YouTube, and kindly comment down below and let me know what kind of videos you want me to do, and also some of the things that you guys will like me to improve on. I do the shooting by myself, I do the editing by myself and everything, so kindly I'll be open to suggestions and opinions and corrections. So kindly let me know down below on the comment section. Drop a comment and let me know what you would like me to be doing to entertain you guys. I'll be glad. At your service, Your Honor. So guys, nimekumbuka Aldi, going to Aldi lazima most of the times it's either kuja na karatasi yako ya Aldi ama ukifika huko utabai, na most of the times huwa nasahau kubeba karatasi kutoka kwa nyumba, and since leo nimekumbuka kubeba badala nienda kununua ingine, let me just carry this one alafu niende. Na pia kuchukua hiyo cart, the cart that you use to do the shopping, like kubeba shopping around, unahitaji kuchukua, you need like a quarter, like 25 cents, like 25 cents dollars. So nimebeba ka quarter ndo nienda kuweka hapo kwa hiyo zo makat, ndo nitoe hiyo cup nikuje nayo. So watu wenye wanaishi US, kindly ni places gani mnafanyanga shopping, especially like groceries, because I'm used to Aldi, na if there is any other store yenye mnapatanga vitu zenye ni more organic, kindly refer me, ni recommend please. I need to know. Kindly comment down below and let me know if I'm missing out on juice jaka hapa sana. So kindly share the knowledge. Stores zenye mnafanyanga groceries sana, especially for more organic stuff. Thank you. So let's go. Nimebeba keys, so nikuzima lights and we go. Oh man, it's super cold. Gari yangu inahitaji kuoshwa, but it's fine. Haiko mbaya. Thank you so much. Yeah. Thank you. This one. It helps me because I always struggle with the quarters. Thanks a lot. Yeah, no problem. So guys, hapo nilipatana na some lady. She was so nice. Akanipea card yenye alikuwa ametoka kutumia hapo kufanya shopping nayo. So unaona hapo hivyo penye kuna ka coin, hapo penye nimeshikilia hapo kando kuna ka coin. So badala mimi nitumie coin yangu kwenda kutoa another card, nilikuwa nionyeshe how to get the card out of that thing from the other cards. But sasa huyo mama akanipea card yake, nikampea coin yangu. Usually ukipatana na mtu hapo hivyo Aldi anakupea card, unampea coin, unabaki na hiyo coin yake yenye alikuwa ashaweka ndani ya card. So yeah, so that's why sikuonyesha hiyo part ya kuweka cut. So let's do some shopping.
Usiniache kaumia, ukinishusha thamani mwenzako ntalia. Walishasema zamani mapenzi tahira, nishakuweka moyoni usiniache my dear. Machozi yangu ya upendo usinyone michizi, wendo wangu wa moyo usilete uzushi. Chunga wasije wakakuita kaswiti, tena wakaponga na kapipi. Masukuli usinipe kidonda marazi, afadhali uniache niwe huruma ya.
Freeze mikono, masikio, mashavu, like hapo nje. I was just in a hurry, lete vitu kwa nyumba haraka. So I only did a few shopping, like nilibuy a few things, just the few things that I needed. Msikompare jamani na hao ma favorite YouTubers wenu, because mimi I just buy what we need, not for a month. This is not a whole month shopping, I mean groceries. So this is just for a few days. Niliona niongeza nyanya, and I'm planning to make some pilau. So niliongeza some nyanyas, nika buy bread spread ya kukula mikate asubuhi. So nilibuy maembe. If you know me, you know how much I love maembe. Nilibuy maembe mingi hapo. I love maembe. Napenda kula maembe sana. Nikabuy maziwa. Tunapenda that type of maziwa. There is the blue one and there's this, the red one. Hii iko na more fats. The blue one iko tumetolewa fats kidogo. Napenda lemon or lemons. Napenda lemons because like napenda kuweka kwa mchele or something, like napenda hiyo bitter yake. I'll buy some avocados. Napenda avocado kwa nyumba pia. I'll buy some capsicum or black bell peppers. And then bought some mandies or mandarins. Nikabuy cucumber. Zucchini. Nikabuy zucchini, not cucumber. Nikabuy cucumbers. Then cabbage. Nikabuy tomato paste ya kutengeneza pilau. I'm planning to make some pilau. So na nikabuy squash. Napenda kula squash kama the pumpkin, yeah. So nilibuy na mayai, although mimi sikulangi mayai. So sasa ni organize fridge. So these are the few things that I bought. So welcome to my fridge restock. Thank you guys for watching, and that was it for today. Thank you for staying with me. Tumeenda shopping na nyinyi and everything. So kindly guys, if you haven't subscribed, please hit that subscription button, and you know, you can share the video. We enjoy, give me ideas of what I can do, kind of videos that I can do. Comment down below and let me know kindly. Yeah, so that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed my fridge restock. Bye guys, I love you. Mwah. Thank you. Keep it here.